Hi. Last week I took my drone for its first flight at the marina, and it was both terrific and terrifying because at times I thought I'd lost it and I couldn't see it. I thought I went into the water, but then it came back and the footage is absolutely beautiful, so clear, so I'll be using it from now on. Then after that I went to Portofino, one of my old restaurants, and the owner and chef, Noel, gave me a sea bass, just like that, you know, here's a sea bass for you. So I came home and cooked it, and this is the result. Right, this is the sea bass that I got. So I'm gonna cut some slits like this on both sides. Not too deep. Now here I have a mix of Harissa, Ras el Hanout, and some Zaatar, and what I'll do is just rub it into the cavities. There we are. Right, and that's one job done. Right, the next job is to make the stuffing to fill the fish. So I've got a small onion quartered, 2 cloves of garlic. I've got some frozen coriander. I usually buy it fresh and freeze it, and you can use it, lasts so long. And then the rest of the mix, and I'll put some olive oil as well. There we are, a nice mixture. And the sea bass. There we are. You can either cook it in a frying pan or in the oven. Give it about 2-3 minutes on either side, and then I'm going to put it under the grill. And then I'm going to put it under the grill. Give it about 10 minutes maximum. Right, there we are. cooked. Very, very tasty. If you're not keen on whole fish like this, you can get 2 fillets and stick the stuffing in the middle, secure them with the cocktail sticks, and the taste is exactly the same. Enjoy.